Hey, is it working? Sort of. All right, so I guess I'm streaming. It's really pretty crazy how difficult this is to set up in YouTube. But it's my first stream, so maybe it's actually working. I have no idea. But in the event that it is, I'm just streaming through my Mac, sitting in my cozy office chair, and I have promised myself that I would start today. It has taken much more effort than I anticipated, which is typical for video technical related stuff, so I shouldn't be surprised. But here I am. So it's day one of my 30 days of video project, and I am concerned because I'm watching my computer tell me things are going crazy. So I apologize for the problems. I will work them out. There's a ton of other places I could be doing a live stream, but when you think of video and the internet, what do you think of? You think of YouTube. And YouTube makes it much harder than it should be. Uh, Facebook and Twitter have totally got this dialed. And, I don't even know if my audio is working. But it's day one. I'm getting it done. I've been streaming for 3.5 minutes, which is about as long as I wanted to do. And so, day one of my 30-day video project, I have succeeded with the minimum. And that's important because when you commit to doing something and you really want it to work, it's helpful to commit to something very small. So my commitment was that I create a video, that I publish a video every day for 30 days. This first one, I could have created a video some other way, but I thought YouTube Live, I'm going to try to set this up. I actually didn't intend to start doing this, and there may not even be audio for this, but I set it up. It actually started to work to my surprise, and so this is going to be it. I've done it. So I'm just going to take a few more minutes here and try to figure out what the heck's going on. Scroll down here just to see uh, what in the world. I'm just really, really surprised how hard it is for YouTube to stream. I suppose that in the future, when it comes out of beta, it'll be a lot easier and it'll explode in popularity because, like I said, YouTube is the #1 place for video on the internet. And the reason why is, of course, Google owns it, but there are just so many people watching video on YouTube. And that's where we go for YouTube. And when we scroll through Google results, which is the #1 search engine, Google puts those results right at the top. And that makes a huge difference. Facebook, it's a walled garden. You can't even get in it. Now, of course, there are tons and tons and tons of people on Facebook, but Facebook tends to lock you in to the people that you know. And if you're going to be working just with the people that you know already, then that's going to be pretty tough. And I don't know if that Facebook model will ever change where they tear down the walls, but it's kind of how Facebook works to be within that walled garden. And so I don't think it's going to work. Now, YouTube, on the other hand, is the place to go. So that's why I had to set up YouTube. And it really shouldn't be this hard, but I suppose it means that people like me who can set it up will be the first ones to use it. I'm actually using a gaming software, or it's not a gaming software, but I'm going to flip over and it's called OBS. And it is used by gamers a lot to do these live streams. And, well, it works. So thanks OBS and the OBS community for getting that going. So, what to look for in the next 30 days? Well, for me, speaking for myself, because honestly, that's that's the person, I'm the person who's going to make this happen. I will be doing a video every day for 30 days. And that means that as a video editor, I'm going to have to really reduce the, the effort that I put into production. Now, I'm going to figure out better ways to get this done. I'm going to figure out better quality for audio, for video, and we'll see how that works out. Now, I probably won't always do live, but let's face it, live video is awesome. And live video really makes a huge impression. Now, recorded video can make huge impressions too, but there's something about being live that you just can't get with recorded video. And so I really want to be paying attention to that. So I'm happy that my first video today is a live video. I really wasn't intending for this actual video with me with my headphones on to be the video, but fair enough. I'm done with my commitment, and that's good. So things to keep in mind: 30 more days, 30-day project is a great way to get a habit finished. So my commitment, and I'll just make this final announcement that in 30 days I will be launching a new project here at New Wild Media that is called the Stay Creative Project. And the Stay Creative Project is designed to help me and you to stay creative, because let's face it, it is a battle out there to stay creative. There are so many other forces coming at us. And to be able to get things done, we've got to work at it. And Stay Creative, the Stay Creative Project, is a way to help me and to help you work at it. Now, what will it look like in 30 days? There will be a video component, for sure, where I will be talking about different things that I use to help me stay creative and looking at other things people smarter than me have figured out to help people stay creative. Number two, there will be a podcast that I hope to launch that in 30 days. It may not be complete in 30 days because that is something that I think needs to come later. It definitely needs to come after the video for me, and it needs to come after the email. So that email is part 3. So email, as video or internet marketers will tell you, is an excellent way to keep in touch with folks. It's old school, but it works. So the Stay Creative Project email will help you to find other content out there on the web, good content that will help you stay creative. So it'll be a curated list of things that I have found within the week that help me and keep me focused, and maybe a book, maybe a podcast, it may be an article on the web, it may be a link to one of the videos that I've made, or a podcast, whatever. It will be just a few links every week to keep you engaged in staying creative. So that's it. Look for that in 30 days. I'll be talking about it for the next 30 days because I got to talk about something. All right, that was 10 minutes, and I've got it done. Awesome. Hope you have a great day. I'm David Bourne from newwildmedia.com. This is my first live YouTube publication. Hopefully it worked. We'll go see. Figure out how to make it stop. Make it stop. Wow, there's really no way to even make it stop. I guess I click a button. Do I go into my encoding software? Do I press stop? How about that?